Sawadika, boys and girls, I am in beautiful Phuket. I am going to show you all the top secret free places in Phuket Island. I can hear the seas calling. 8 o'clock in the morning. It's totally deserted. The beach all to myself. Lunch was amazing. I am off to explore Phuket Old Town. We are at Sarasin Bridge. Bridge completed in 1967 linked the island of Phuket with mainland Thailand. Years ago, a couple came here to commit suicide. They actually tied each other's up before committing the act. Local people here had said that they've seen two rabbits approach the bridge every time there's a full moon. So when you come here at a full moon, you see two rabbits. That's probably the spirit of these two couples. I'm on my way now to a secret beach. I hope I'm in the right pathway. I think I heard so many things about this secret beach. Cross the street. Beach is over there, right there. Ooh. It's just me and two ladies here. Wow, what a view. Hello. I am definitely going in. Ciao, ciao. We're off to see the Buddha, the wonderful Buddha of Phuket. This temple is called the Temple of the Rising Buddha. 400 years ago, a boy discovered a head of a Buddha in the middle of the paddy field. And since then, they built a temple around it. Got the last car park spot. I made it just in time. Crawling with people because it is the best place to watch sunset on this island. Like the one I saw in Santorini. Road coming up here is very spooky, but look at the view. Strangely enough, the view kind of reminds me of Los Angeles a little bit. To say goodbye. Enjoy all the places that I've shown you on this video. They are all free. The only thing that's not free is my pina colada here, which I am going to save you. Until my next video, stay awesome.